Let's learn about how to make more money, right? There's only a handful of ways to make more money in the inspection business. And I'm going to tell you what they are. Ready? There's 9 of them. 1, you increase your fees. How do you do that? Well, you have to offer more value, just like the gold watch. Remember, the perceived value was overwhelming to that person, and they paid $1,000 for that gold watch instead of $10. 2 watches do the same thing. You want to increase your fees. 2, do more inspections yourself, right? Just schedule more jobs per day and per week and try to be efficient with your time. Try to do 2 inspections a day, right? Just you got to do more. That's one way to make more money. You just do more inspections. 3, you hire or subcontract an inspector. So essentially your business is doing more jobs, but you got to delegate and you got to manage. 4, you sell more stuff per client. And that's bundling. That's doing a home inspection, but getting certified in other ancillary inspections and bundling those ancillary inspections. So personally, I did home inspections, 75% of all my home inspections. I did a termite inspection. Half of all of my home inspections did a radon test. And that was about $600. And at the end of the day, after 2 inspections a day, I was bringing home a lot of cash. Sell more per client with bundling, upselling. Upselling is like, you're talking to the person on the phone about a home inspection, and then you ask, does the house have a pool? While I'm there, would you like me to do a pool inspection to make sure every system and component of the pool is working well? Yeah. Okay. That's upselling. If you're not good at upselling, we have promotional videos, and they start off with while I'm here, and you get your device and you go to the playlist and you play the playlist of while I'm here videos. And the while I'm here videos that InterNetShip provides for every certified inspector, they help sell inspections that your client may not realize that you can do. They help sell. So sell more per client. That's the 4th way of making more money. 5th way of making more money, get more efficient with your time. So you make more money per hour. 6th, sell inspections to the same clients, right? So repeat inspections. Like maybe there's a weather event coming through the neighborhood that you've already inspected, and you send out an email saying, hey, did you get hit by hail? I'd like to come over and take a look at your roof. If you'd like, hail inspection is this, and I charge that. Maybe it's a home maintenance inspection, or an annual maintenance inspection, or an annual inspection of the roof. Especially flat roofs in very cold climates, they have to be inspected regularly, even twice a year, really, before winter to prepare for winter in a cold climate on a flat roof, and then after winter to make repairs. 7th way to make more money, add an additional revenue stream, like get into commercial property inspections. Visit ccpia.org, ccpia.org. 8th way to make more money as a home inspector, sell your client's contact information to third-party service providers. That's disastrous. This is a great way to kill your credibility as a trusted third-party neutral professional. This is a great way to kill your business. Sell your client's confidential information. You don't want to do that, but it is a way to make more money. 9th, keep your operating costs down. And that's why you join InterNetShip. Free membership benefits, free resources like the marketing team. So that's 9 ways to make more money. If you're wondering, how do I make more money? It's one of those 9.